Did XLM just pull the ultimate fake out? Or are we witnessing the start of something absolutely massive? Because when I saw that 14% pump breaking through a descending wedge like it was paper, my jaw literally hit the floor. But here's the kicker. The RSI is screaming overbought at 76, and I'm seeing some signals that have me both pumped and cautious at the same time. What's good, crypto fam? Welcome back to Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your go-to spot for no BS crypto analysis that cuts through the noise. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into XLM's explosive breakout that has the entire crypto Twitter going absolutely wild. Because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why some analysts are calling for a potential 100% move to the 90 cents to $1 zone, why the technical setup looks absolutely pristine, but also why we need to watch out for some warning signs that could derail this entire rally. Plus, I'll share my honest take on whether this is the real deal or just another pump that's about to dump on us harder than a bear market reality check. So let's get straight into it, because August 8th was not your average Thursday in crypto land. XLM absolutely exploded with a 14% surge that had everyone scrambling to check their charts. We're talking about a move from 40 cents to $0.4665 in just a few hours. And trust me, that's the kind of action that separates the diamond hands from the paper hands. Now, here's where it gets juicy. According to analyst Crypto Dream, this wasn't just some random pump. We're looking at a textbook descending wedge breakout that's been months in the making. For those who don't know, a descending wedge is like crypto's version of a coiled spring. It compresses all that selling pressure until BAM. It explodes upward with serious force. But let me tell you what really caught my attention. This breakout happened with massive volume spikes. We hit 9.63 million in volume on that 4-hour candle, which was the highest we've seen in recent sessions. Volume doesn't lie, folks. When price moves up and volume confirms it, that's when you know the big players are stepping in. Quick pause. If you're finding this breakdown valuable, do me a solid and smash that like button. It helps the algorithm push this content to more crypto enthusiasts just like you. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? We drop fresh crypto analysis daily. Now, let's talk about the technical picture because it's painting a story that's both exciting and nerve-wracking. XLM bounced clean off the 50 EMA at $0.4122, and when I see price reclaim that moving average with authority, my trader senses start tingling. The 50 EMA is like that friend who tells you the truth. When price is above it, the bulls are in control. When it's below, the bears are having their party. But here's where things get really interesting, and this is my personal take that might ruffle some feathers. While everyone's getting hyped about the 90 cents to $1 target zone, I'm keeping one eye on that RSI reading of 76.66. Now, I've been in this game long enough to know that overbought doesn't always mean sell immediately, but it definitely means proceed with caution. Think about it like this. When RSI hits these levels, it's like your favorite crypto influencer telling you they're all in on a coin. Sure, they might be right, but historically, these extreme readings often lead to at least some cooling off period. The question is, will that cooling off be a healthy pullback to the 38-cent support zone, or are we looking at something more dramatic? Here's what's got me bullish though. The MACD just printed a clean bullish crossover with the blue line rising above the orange signal line. The MACD value hit 0.014072 while the signal line trailed at 0.006592, and those green histogram bars are growing like crypto portfolios in a bull market. When MACD crosses above the zero line with this kind of momentum, it's usually not playing around. And can we talk about the balance of power indicator for a second? It's sitting at 0.39, which basically means the bulls have wrestled control away from the bears, and they're not giving it back without a fight. This isn't just some weak bounce. This is buyers stepping up with serious conviction. Now, let me give you my honest opinion on what's happening here. I think XLM is setting up for something big, and this is a big, but I'm not convinced we're going straight to $1 without some serious resistance battles along the way. That 50 cents level that everyone's talking about, that's going to be brutal. We're talking about a zone that's been tested multiple times, and if XLM can't close above it with strong volume, we might see a rejection that sends us back to the $0.38 support faster than you can say by the dip. But here's the thing that has me genuinely excited. The pattern completion suggests we could see a 100% upside potential from current levels. That target zone between 90 cents and 93 cents aligns perfectly with those late 2024 highs. And if we're talking about crypto cycles, this timing actually makes a lot of sense. Before we dive into what I think happens next, drop a comment below and tell me, are you bullish or bearish on XLM right now? And seriously, if you're getting value from this deep dive, that subscribe button is calling your name. We're building an incredible community of crypto enthusiasts here, and I want you to be part of it. So what's my game plan? Here's how I'm approaching this setup. And remember, this is just my perspective, not financial advice. If I'm looking at XLM right now, I'm watching that 50 cents level like a hawk. A clean break above with volume? That's my signal that this rally has legs, and we could genuinely see that 90 cents to $1 zone within the next few weeks. But if we get rejected at 50 cents with weak volume and RSI starts rolling over, I'm looking for a retest of that 38 cent support, and that might actually be the better buying opportunity for those who missed this initial move. Here's what most people don't realize. In crypto, the best setups often come after the initial breakout gets tested. It's like the market saying, okay, you think you're bullish? Prove it. And if the bulls prove it by holding support and launching higher, that's when the real fireworks begin. The wedge pattern we saw was absolutely textbook. Consistent lower highs, lower lows, then boom. Reversal with a breakout candle that had follow-through. That's the kind of setup that makes technical analysts weak in the knees because when it works, it really works. But let's zoom out for a second because this XLM move isn't happening in isolation. We're seeing similar breakout patterns across multiple altcoins, and that tells me we might be in the early stages of alt season brewing. If that's the case, XLM could just be the appetizer, and the main course could be absolutely delicious for those positioned correctly. All right, crypto fam, let's wrap this up because I know your time is valuable. Here's the bottom line on XLM. We've got a clean descending wedge breakout, confirmed by multiple technical indicators, strong volume, and a target zone that could deliver 100% gains from current levels. But we're also dealing with overbought conditions and a critical resistance test at 50 cents that will determine if this rally has real legs or if we're about to see a reality check. My personal take? I'm cautiously optimistic, but respecting the technicals. This setup has serious potential, but crypto markets have a way of humbling even the most confident predictions. What do you think? Are we heading to $1? Or is this just another bull trap waiting to spring? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one and love engaging with this incredible community we're building. If this analysis helped you understand what's happening with XLM, please smash that like button and share this video with your crypto friends. And seriously, if you haven't subscribed yet, you're missing out on daily crypto insights that could make a real difference in your trading and investing journey. Check out my other videos for more deep dives into the hottest crypto movers. And remember, we're all in this together, learning and growing in this wild world of digital assets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one where we're diving into another crypto opportunity that could change everything. Peace out, crypto fam.